Hey, hey guys, I'm back again. I was thinking to quit on the 3 wins that we had already, but I might play one more play here. And we could actually, if we look here at RTY, he's extended up here going into the pre-euro close, which is 11 o'clock strategy I usually do. But he still got some upside here. So I wanted to short RTY and M2K, which is the micro for the Russell. So I could do two things here. I could start out and get a feel of the price action here coming into 11, or we go in like 10 off the 11, 15 off the 11, and we try to do the short on these guys. But I could start out here if we come up to 2276.4, maybe here, I short a micro there. And if the E-mini get up here to the overnight high, I short RTY going into the euro close. Right now it's 11.05. I'm looking for a pivot here. You know what? I'm going to go in here with the RTY, the M2K now. I'm going to take one now. I don't even know if I get fill. Drop in before me. Going in market. Taking one RTY here also. 22.71. Okay. So we got two of them going here. I'm going to go in a little early. I'm going to take off the limit order here. All right. I still think he got a little more upside. I kind of jumped the gun there, but that's fine. So we're going to look for the pivot play. Here, we're back here to the value area high in the 2-minute chart. See that here? Still in an uptrend. All right. He's outside the current VWAP zone. He's on zone 1 and zone 2 is the extreme zone. So I figure they're going to trade up and down here into the close, and then hopefully we get the drop. All right. If we get the drop, I'm looking to come back here to the VPOC. And if we fail the VPOC, we come down to OR high, which is 9:30 to 10 o'clock high. Then we have the 10 to 10:30 high just below that. So that's the strategy there. So we see if there's anything on NQ here. NQ just rallying up. All right. So could get a play in NQ here and on YM. All right. And it could be some short covering on YM, right? Because YM was down over 300. So shorts could be taking profit and then they could push it up, right? So see the M2K is doing here. See what the M2K is doing here. So we got one short here. All right. This is a pre-euro close. See that here? Pre-euro close setup. We're looking as we get into the euro close at 11:30, we get a pullback. That's the strategy, right? It's all about when you get into them, right? So on NQ here, I think on NQ here, I take one micro here at 12.84 to 175 if I could get fill. I think I'm going in here at 12.83, 12.33 if I could get fill. Okay. Take off the limit order. So we got one NQ on. Micro. All right. And we got RTY here, which is taking some heat. All right. And we got a micro and a NQ. Are we looking for pullback into the euro close here, right? Into 11:30. It's 11:08 now. So that's the play, guys. Getting a little early here and here. Are we looking for the drop here, right? Here we go. This is a strategy I play every day. Most of the time it works. Yeah, I think 80 to 90% sometimes, right? So Here we go. See, I got in here a little too early. This was a play right there on the value area high, right? So see if I could get an E-mini on NQ. A 12A to 4. See if we get fill up there. So NQ still got some upside, right? They all have upside, right? So are we playing a Pacific play here? A failure. But it's Friday. Anything could happen, guys. Right? On Friday, it's crazy. Sometimes this play don't work. And anytime this plays don't work, it's always being a Friday. Right? You get shaken out the trade because they run it up and then they'll sell it off. But I have a nice win ratio for the morning, so if these goes against me, I'll take them off. Right? I put on one NQ, E-mini. I got Phil. He's up $140 here. I mean, this guy is crazy fast. All right. He come down here to the 50% level here would be a nice win, but you're going to be really whippy him, right? So you guys could get profit. I'm going to hold it a little longer. I may get burnt, but I'm holding it here. And I'm holding this guy to come down on this guy. So we got 4 plays on. Right? We got a micro, the E-mini. I'm not worried about the micros. I manage the E-minis, these 2 E-minis here. Russell and NQ. Pre-euro close is 11.10. Let me see if we flush here. I'm looking for here, this target here. 50% level. I might take it off here for a quicker win. Okay. Today is one of the best trading days for the pivot. The pivots work real well today. See, this guy is up and down. See that? Still a hole in here. Hope you don't pivot back and take my money. See it? It's get rejected. Come all the way down here and got rejected. All right. Well, we'll see if we can get a follow through to the downside also. Or I might give up. See, I give up all the profit on NQ. See that? $200 profit. Waiting too long. Waiting for more. See, sometimes that happens. Even I make mistakes. But this is coming down. This is coming down. He's flipping back and forth. I may add to this NQ. If he come up back here, I add to it. Right. See what happened? Going against me, $40 now. I thought it was up. There's a $240 turnaround. All right. Going into the euro close, 11.11. Here we come one more time. I'm going to add to this trade here, guys. Now I have 2 of them. So all I need is another drop here. All right. We have $400. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Take one off here. Keep one on. Oh, didn't get filled. Ah. Got filled. Okay. Take 200 plus in that. You know what? I'll take a $200 win on this guy here. Even though I think we could get some more, but it's whippy. We take off this guy for another $200 win here. Okay, we got $200. So we got $400 plus an NQ, and he's coming back to my level here. I'm taking this one here for $230 win. $250 win on RTY, on $22 on the micro. Right, we take the micro off here on M2K, and we have a micro on RT on NQ also. He's up $19. We take this off too. I'm done. 426. We got like 700 plus in this pre-euro close trade. This is a full Friday paycheck win we got for the morning. Beautiful. Beautiful. We got about $2,000 on 4 trades. Most is one. This is the first one I take 2 contracts on NQ. Everything was 1 ladders. I would make We did well today. Close to 2 grand. Love it. See, still coming down. You can come here, but you know what? I got my profit. I'm done. Go and look for something to eat. I don't want to give back anything here. Okay, guys? Ping me if you want, guys want to do something else later, but I'm done right now.